home page design by Hussain Coders. Today we are going to make this website or header section or hero section of a website. This is the logo, these are the navigation links, and this is a button. These are the social icons. This is the heading, this is the second heading, again this is the button, this is the picture, some text, content, box type content, some numbers and a line, also a content. So today we are going to make this website or a header section or a hero section of a website. If you want the source code of this website or header section or hero section and also the Figma design, you can have it. I will place the link into the description. Now let's begin. I am using Visual Studio Code for this purpose to create this hero section, and this is the basics of the HTML. You can see I have connected my CSS file here. Then I have used some Google fonts. The basic Google font that I am going to use today is the Poppins. As you can see, in Google fonts you can write Poppins and then the Poppins will be appeared. You can select or deselect from here. As you can see, I am deselecting it. Then you only have to copy this like this and you can place it here. Okay, the title is by homepage design Hussain Coders, and here is the title. As you can see, this is the title, by homepage Hussain Coders. Okay, moving further. As you know, the website starts here or the header section starts from here. Header, class with the name of header, and anchor point, class with the name of logo, and in logo I have used the image. As you can see, here is the image. Okay, now moving further. Navigation, class with the name of main nav, unordered list, class with the name of main nav list, and the list, class with the name of main nav item. I'm basically using this main class and then adding the second classes here. As you can see, here is the list, item and link. I'm only using the main word here and then different word to identify the purposes. Like here, an anchor point with the name of bikes. As you can see, here is the bikes. Okay, then again you only have to copy this link and then place it here and change it into technology, locations and about us. You can see it here, bikes, technology, locations and about us. Now moving further, again I have the main nav link. As you can see, the main nav link, but I have again used the second class with the name of main nav CTA call to action button because I have a different type of button here. For this I am using a second class here, main nav CTA call to action button. Our header ends here. As you can see, our header ends here like this. This is our header portion. As you can see, this is our header. Okay, now the hero section. Hero section starts from here in the main section. Section, class with the name of hero, div, class with the name of hero, and div, class with the name of hero content. And in hero content again I am using this same class with different classes or different you can see content. Div, class with the name of hero text box, and in hero text box I have a heading, class with the name of primary heading or heading primary, and here is the heading. As you can see, here is the heading. Okay, in an anchor point I have used the button primary, learn more. Again this is the button primary, as you can see, and again here is that class with the name of hero photo. Hero, again hero is the main class that we are going to use or we are using here, and in hero photo here is the photo. As you can see, this is the photo. Okay, and image source and class with the name of hero photo image. Okay, now in the div class hero socials, class with the name of hero socials, and in hero socials I have used the icons. As you can see, these are the icons. In icons you can simply click it from here like this. There, like this is the Facebook. You can copy it from here. As you can see, it is copied, and then you can place it here like this. Okay, then it will be appeared here in here. We don't need this, so we can close it and close it too. It will be appeared like this. Okay, and again a Twitter logo, Google logo, and Pinterest logo. I have used 4 logos, as you can see here. And the div is closed. The div for the hero social is closed. Again, the div class with the name of hero text and hero text left. As you can see this portion. Okay, in the left portion I have some content, and in the right portion again I have some content and class with the name of hero number. As you can see, this is the number, and here is the number. The div is closed and the session is closed, and this is our hero section. Okay, to style our sheet I am using the main CSS, and in main CSS you can see I have used some fonts I have told you before, and some colors: color white, color black, color primary, color secondary, text, and footer. Okay, to center our content I am using dot row. It's mean class row, as I have used here. This is the row. Okay, to center our content, class row, maximum width to 114 and margin to 0 and auto. For the basic styling, unordered list style to none. For the anchor point, text decoration to none, color to color text. For the image, maximum width to the 100% and height to the auto. As you can see, this is the image. For the upper text, transform to the uppercase, and center text align to the center. And for all the basic before and after, margin to 0, padding to 0, and box sizing to inherit. For the HTML, font size to the 62.5%, box sizing to the border box, and overflow text to hidden. And for the body, font family to the font primary, font weight to the 400, color to the color text, line height to the 1.6, and overflow to the hidden. As you can see, I have used the background. For the background, linear gradient to right bottom, RGBA, color black to opacity 0.99, and color black to the opacity 0.98. Okay, for the background you can change it according to your wish. For the header, as you can see our header, this is the header portion. Okay, for the header, display to the flex, align item to the center, justify content to the space between, and padding to the 0 and 6 rem. And for the z index 9999. As you can see, this is our header. This will start from here and ends here, or start from here or ends here. This is our header. Okay, we are using the flex here. Then for the logo, as you can see, this is our logo. For the logo, font size to the 3.2 rem, font weight to the 600, and text transform to the uppercase. As you can see, we don't have any text here, so we can remove it like this. Okay, this is the logo. Okay, now main name, and in the main name list, as you can see, I have used the main class, then the subheading or subclass. And in the list, display to the flex, align item to the center, gap to the 8 rem, and transform to translate x to minus 28 rem. And these are the lists that we are talking about. Okay, and in the link list, first list, then for link, and these separate are the links. Separate, this separate is a link, it is also a link, it is also a link, it is also a link. These are the links. Okay, in link, display to the inline block, font size 2.2 rem, color to the color text, and font weight 500, transition all to 0.3 second, hover to color primary. As you can see, when I hover it, it changes its color. Okay, now moving further to the call to action button. As you can see, this is our call to action button. In call to action button, background color to color black, padding to 0.5 rem, 2 rem, color to color white, border to 1 pixel, solid, and color white. As you can see, here is the border. Okay, this is the border, you can see. Transform to translate x to 15 rem, font weight to 500, and for the hovering effect, background color to color text and color to color black. As you can see, we need a space here, so we are using translate x here, and this is the hovering effect. Okay, now moving further, our hero section. As you can see, hero section starts from here, and this is our hero section. Okay, in hero section, hero padding to 10 rem, 0 0 and 0, height to 100, viewport height and position to relative, because sometimes we will use absolute position like this, like this, like this, then we need to use absolute relative. Okay, so position to relative, and text box. For the text box, this is our text box. As you can see, for the text box, padding to the 0 30 viewport and 0 0 and all. This is for the all, but not the last child margin bottom to 4 rem. Okay, for the photo, position to absolute, as you can see, relative, top to the 6 rem and right to the 25 rem. For the social icons, as you can see, these are the social icons. Display to the flex, as you can see, we are using it into the flex form and into the column form. Flex direction into the column, gap to the 4 rem, font size to the 2 rem, position to the absolute, top to the 10 rem, right to the 10 rem, cursor to the pointer. As you can see, when we hover it, the cursor changes into the pointer form, like this you can see. Okay, for the text, font size to the 2.5 rem, position to absolute, bottom to 15 rem, display to flex, z index to 1. And for the text, these are the text. For the right and for the left text, you can see, for the left, padding 0, 20 viewport width, 0 and 5 viewport width, transform to translate y to 10 rem, and position to the relative. As you can see, absolute, then this is the relative. And before, for this content, for this, you can see this box, for this box, we are going to use the content, position to absolute, width to the 3 rem, height to the 3.5 rem, top to the 0, left to the 6.5 rem, background color to the color footer, and z index to -1 for this. As you can see, this box, for this box. Okay, now for the right portion, for this right portion, adding to 0, 20 viewport width, 0 and 0, transform to translate, 25 rem and 10 rem, position to relative. And before, content again, exactly like the previous one, we are creating this portion, content, position to absolute because of position relative, width to the 3 rem, 3.5 rem, top 0, left -1.5 rem, background color to color footer, and z index to -1. And for the number, as you can see, this is the number, font size to 3.5 rem, position to relative, transform to translate y to 10 rem. This position will be, it's, these two are connected. Okay, before content, as you can see, this line, for this line we are going to use before content, position to absolute, top to 2.6 rem, left to -18 rem, width to 16 rem, and height to 0.5 rem, and background color to the color white. As you can see, I have used one heading, this heading. For this heading, we have named our class to heading primary, font size to 5 rem, color to color white, line height to 1.3, font weight to 500, position relative because of this, and z index to 2. And before, and for this bicycle, as you can see, the bicycle into the background. For this, we are going to use the content bicycle, position to absolute, top to -10 rem, left to -15 rem, width to 100%, height to 100%, color to color footer, font size to 15 rem, font family to footer secondary, font weight to 700, and z index to -1. Okay, for the button, as you can see, we have used these two buttons. Okay, for the buttons, display to inline block and primary button. For the primary button, padding to 0.5 rem, 2.4 rem, color to color white, border to 1 pixel, solid and color white, font size to 1.8 rem, font weight to 600, and this is the primary button. Transition all to 0.3 seconds, and for the hovering effect, background color to color text and color to color black. So we have created this button, you can see. So this was it. As you can see, we have created this website, hero section or header section, whatever you want to call, you can call it, by using the Visual Studio Code. And for this, if you want the source code, you can have it And if you want the Figma style or Figma of this website, then you can have it too. I will place the link into the description. Thank you for the watching, and if you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.